Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In my last video I told you about the private node sale of Beamable network, and today I'm going over why this is a unique opportunity and the big advantages that I can see of investing in the Beamable network project. Beamable belongs to the gaming narrative, and we all know this is one of the major narratives nowadays for investments, as gaming has more than 200 billion global market. Tapping into this market, even by a tiny bit, is huge. Game development has a unique set of technical requirements from statefulness, high concurrency, latency optimization, development workflow integration, servers, among many others. This creates a lot of challenges for gaming studios, not only in integration, but also in costs. Beamable has created the first decentralized physical infrastructure network to support the backend and live services requirements for game developers, allowing simplicity and economy for game creation. And the best part is they are already doing this for more than 5 years. They have more than 100 games on their infrastructure, and they are doing over $3 million in revenue. That's right, with more than $3 million in revenue, they are already on the top 10 DePIN projects by revenue, alongside projects such as Akash and Geonet. They even have more revenue than Render. Now, Beamable requirements for the next phase of Grow, it's going to depend on checker nodes, and they just kick off their alpha node sale. This is a very exclusive sale, limited to only 3,000 nodes, and from which we can only access 2,000 of those. Why am I so excited about this project? Well, this is a project with proofs given, with a very high revenue and a super strong narrative. Moreover, we all know that the first nodes to operate on every project are the ones that get the massive rewards. And here is no different. Beamable, we have a full public sale later this year, but until then, these 3,000 nodes are going to be the ones accumulating massive rewards. On top of the normal rewards that all the nodes will have, these alpha checker nodes will also get exclusivity for them 1% of the total BNB token supply. Looking at the tokenomics, there will be 1 billion token supply. 1% of those token supply divided by 3,000 alpha checker nodes will give 3,333 BNB tokens for each alpha checker node that you have. Taking in consideration the annual revenue and the position of the project on the top DePIN project list, it's not a wild thought to say that the token will be launched in the token generation event at a price around 25 cents. This will give a rough estimate of $833 for each alpha node that you have. This is already more than twice the return of investment. This is of course just an estimate based on many assumptions. But I do believe that as the bull market continues, this is a very likely scenario. If you want to get an alpha node for you, you need to hurry up, because at the time of this video they are already down to about half of the nodes. Go to the sale page that you can see in the screen, or go to the description of this video and click the link. Connect your Solana wallet and then go down and click Purchase Now button. As this is a private sale with a $20 discount, you will not be able to complete the sale if you don't have a promo code. In the promo code box, put the code mythosbtc. Select the box to agree with the conditions of the sale and press confirm. You will be able to buy the node using credit card or crypto. I'm going to buy my node using crypto. The system allows me to select several blockchains to make the payment, but your node will be airdropped to your connected Solana wallet. In my case, I will use the Arbitrum network. I will be redirected to the payment page, where I can confirm the coin and network that I'm using for the payment. I now process the payment, confirm it in my MetaMask wallet, and wait for the transaction to get approved. I'm now the proud owner of one more node. These nodes are also super easy to run. You can run them by yourself in a very low spec computer, or use a node as a service to run it for you. In this last case, when I did a node as a service, I always use NodeOps, as their system, in my opinion, is the best, most reliable and easier to use in the market. If you decide to run the node on the NodeOps console, you can also get 10% discount on the node operation cost by using the code MYTHOS. You can even get on top of that discount 20% more if you have a UNO NFT from NodeOps. I will drop a link in the description for the sale of the NodeOps UNO NFT. Unfortunately, I don't have any discount for this NFT, but if I see a code around from any other site, I will make sure to add it in the description. As for the Beamable Alpha Node sale, this won't last long. The number is very limited. Take advantage of this opportunity while you can, because the next time the nodes will be on sale will be in the public node sale in the end of the year. But those will not give extra rewards like these ones do. And also these ones now will be working alone until the public node sale, accumulating even more rewards. I will also be making another video on Beamable to cover the public node sale in the end of the year. But if you want to participate in the Beamable network, this Alpha Checker node sale is by far a unique and the best opportunity that cannot be missed. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I see you again very soon in my next video.